Hi everyone, today I want to show you how I am preparing the soil of my garden for the next sowing season. I usually transplant directly on the ground, even though I have seen people doing it over mature compost, obtaining excellent results. Winter has begun, but as my compost is not ready yet, I still don't have enough of it to cover all the area that I need. This is why I am trying something new, to me at least. At the beginning of April, I started laying organic matter. First, I began with one layer of fresh grass, then another one with horse manure and pieces of wood. Finally, I added dry tree leaves. I repeated this process twice. Now, I am waiting to see what will happen at the beginning of September when spring comes.